大家好. So today we're going to learn how to say white. Once we learn this, we are going to complete all our color palette. So how do you say white? By. So it is the second tone, by. Right? If it's the first tone, it's by. If it's the third tone, it's by. If it's the fourth tone, it's by. If it's the neutral tone, is by. Although there really isn't an, I guess maybe, I don't know. Point is the second tone. By. So what are some words you could use? Of course you could use it to describe color. 白色, right? Right there behind me. 白色. Or let's go over some more kind of slang funny ones. Here's one. 小白脸. It literally means little white face. What it means is kind of like a weak, little naive young man. 小白脸. So if you want to talk about someone in a disrespectful way, you can call them a 小白脸. Another really funny word you could use with 白 in a more slang fashion is 傻白甜. 傻白甜literally means kind of dumb or silly, white, sweet. Dumb, silly, white, sweet. 傻白甜. It's a way to describe kind of naive girls who don't have much kind of intelligence. Intelligence is the wrong word, but don't have much suspicion of people, so they're easily manipulated. 傻白甜. So we have 白色, like white. We have 傻白甜, and we have 小白脸. That's good enough, I think, for today. If you guys want more lessons on colors or how you use the different words for colors in kind of a more slang fashion or build other words, let me know. This was Jerry. 谢谢大家，再见。